What if I told you that the old way of making money is completely dead? Seriously, forget everything you know about the traditional 9-to-5 grind. The game has changed, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to win. The internet has completely leveled the playing field, making it possible for anyone, and I mean anyone, to start generating serious income right from their couch. You don't need a fancy degree or a huge investment. All you need is a laptop or even just your smartphone and the willingness to take action. This isn't some far-fetched dream, it's the new reality for millions of people across the USA. Whether you're a student trying to pay off loans, a stay-at-home parent looking for extra cash, a side hustler wanting to turn your passion into profit, or even someone in a full-time job who wants to build a safety net, this video is for you. I've spent countless hours researching and filtering out all the garbage online to bring you only the most effective strategies. We're talking about real opportunities that can change your financial future, starting today. The power to earn is literally at your fingertips, and the barrier to entry has never been lower. Stop waiting for permission and start building the life you actually want. In this video, I'm going to break down the 7 best, fastest, and most legitimate online earning methods that real people in the USA are using to make life-changing money right now. We're not talking about slow, boring survey sites that pay you pennies. I'm going to give you the exact blueprint for high-impact strategies that can actually work. We'll cover everything from freelancing to building your own brand on YouTube, and I'll even reveal which money-making apps are actually legit. So if you're ready to unlock your online income potential, you need to watch every single second of this video. Let's get into it. All right, first up is freelancing. And this is probably the fastest way to start making actual money online. Think about it. You already have skills. Can you write? Can you design something cool? Are you organized? You can sell those skills. Freelancing is basically being your own boss and selling your services to clients all over the world. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com are massive marketplaces, literally overflowing with people who need your help right now. You just create a profile, list what you can do, and start applying for jobs. It's that simple. The best part? The earning potential is insane. When you're just starting, you could easily make an extra $500 to $1,000 a month working just a few hours a week. But once you get good, build a reputation, and get some positive reviews, the sky is the limit. I've seen expert freelance writers, video editors, and web developers charge hundreds of dollars per hour. We're talking 6-figure incomes, all from the comfort of their home. So figure out what you're good at, package it as a service, and get on these platforms today. It's a goldmine. Okay, next up, and this one is obviously close to my heart, starting a YouTube channel. This isn't just about becoming famous, it's about building your own brand and a powerful income stream. The amazing thing about YouTube is that you can literally make videos about anything you're passionate about. Gaming, cooking, finance, cleaning, reviewing tech. If you love it, there's an audience for it. You can earn money from ads that play on your videos. But that's just the beginning. You can also make money from brand deals, selling your own merchandise, affiliate marketing, and channel memberships. Let's talk numbers. Once you're monetized, you can earn anywhere from $2 to over $20 per 1,000 views, depending on your niche. Finance and tech channels make the most, but any niche can be profitable if you build a loyal community. Don't worry about having fancy equipment. Your smartphone camera is good enough to start. The most important thing is to be consistent, provide value, and build a connection with your viewers. If you can do that, you're not just making videos, you're building an asset that can pay you for years to come. Now, I know what you're thinking, most money-making apps are a total scam. And honestly, you're right. The App Store is flooded with garbage that promises you the world and pays you literal pennies for hours of your time. But I did the research for you and found the few that are actually verified and legitimate. These apps won't make you a millionaire overnight, but they are an incredible way to earn some extra cash during your downtime, like when you're watching TV or waiting in line. We're talking about apps that pay you for things you already do. Apps like Swagbucks and Inbox Dollars pay you for watching videos, taking surveys, and even shopping online. Then there are apps like Ibotta and Rakuten that give you real cash back on your groceries and online purchases. For something more active, apps like DoorDash or Instacart let you earn on your own schedule by delivering food or groceries. With a combination of these apps, people are realistically earning an extra $10 to $30 a day. It adds up fast, and it's one of the easiest ways to get started earning online with zero experience. This next method, dropshipping, is one of the most popular e-commerce models for a reason. You can sell products online without ever having to touch or store any inventory. Let me say that again. You don't need a warehouse full of stuff. Here's how it works. You set up an online store using a platform like Shopify. A customer buys a product from your store. You then buy that same product from a third-party supplier, like one from AliExpress, and that supplier ships the product directly to your customer. You pocket the difference. It's genius. Your main job is marketing and customer service. You need to be good at finding trending products and creating ads on platforms like Facebook or TikTok to drive traffic to your store. The skills required are learning how to use Shopify, which is super easy, and basic digital marketing. The profit margins can be huge, often between 20% and 50% or even more. This means if you sell a product for $50 that costs you $15 from the supplier, you just made $35 without ever handling the product. It's a low-risk way to start your own online business. If you want the flexibility of working from home, but also the stability of a regular paycheck, then landing a remote job is the perfect move for you. The pandemic completely changed the game, and now, thousands of incredible companies in the USA are hiring for fully remote positions. This means you can work for a major company in New York or California without ever leaving your hometown. You get the benefits, the steady income, and the career growth, all with the freedom to work from your home office, a coffee shop, or honestly anywhere with Wi-Fi. You can find these jobs on sites like LinkedIn, Indeed, and specialized remote job boards like We Work Remotely and FlexJobs. There are remote jobs in literally every field: customer service representatives, social media managers, programmers, project managers, accountants, you name it. Salaries are competitive and often match in-office roles. We're talking anywhere from $40,000 a year for entry-level positions to well over $150,000 for specialized roles. If you want to ditch the commute and get more control over your life, start searching for a remote job today. I guarantee that you know something that other people would pay to learn. Seriously, everyone is an expert in something. Maybe you're amazing at baking sourdough bread, playing the guitar, editing videos, or navigating the stock market. You can turn that knowledge into a massive online income stream by creating and selling digital products like online courses or ebooks. You create it once, and you can sell it over and over again, forever. It's the ultimate form of passive income. Platforms like Teachable, Kajabi, and Udemy make it incredibly easy to build and sell your own online course, even if you have zero technical skills. You just record your lessons, upload them, and set a price. For ebooks or guides, you can sell them on your own website or on Amazon KDP. Top creators in this space are making millions of dollars a year. But even on a smaller scale, selling a $100 course to just 100 people is an extra $10,000. Don't underestimate the value of what you know. Package it, sell it, and help people while making money. Everyone uses Facebook and Instagram, but almost no one knows that you can actually get paid directly by Meta for creating content. They are desperately trying to compete with TikTok and YouTube, so they are throwing money at creators. This is a massive, untapped opportunity. You can earn money through things like the Facebook Reels Play Bonus program, where they literally pay you for getting views on your short videos. There are also in-stream ads for longer videos, fan subscriptions, and brand collaborations. To get started, you need to switch your profile to a professional or creator account and meet certain eligibility requirements, which usually involve having a certain number of followers and engagement. For the Reels bonus, Meta invites creators to the program, so the key is to start posting high-quality, engaging Reels consistently. People are earning thousands of dollars a month just from this bonus program alone. On top of that, you can use Facebook groups to build a community and sell your products or services. Stop just scrolling and start earning from the time you spend on their apps. So there you have it, 7 powerful ways to start making real money online in the USA. The reason this is exploding right now is simple. We have more tools than ever before. The culture is shifting to remote work, and let's be real, with inflation, everyone needs a side hustle. Young people especially are demanding more flexibility and control over their lives, and the rise of AI tools is making it even easier to create content and run an online business. The opportunity has never been bigger than it is right at this moment. Don't just watch this video and forget about it. Take action. But before you go, I want to give you a few bonus tips to help you earn money as fast as possible. First, focus on a niche. Don't try to do everything. Pick one area and become the go-to expert. Second, invest time in learning high-income skills. Master tools like Canva for design, ChatGPT for writing and ideas, and a simple video editor like CapCut. These skills are pure gold. Third, once you have a skill, create a simple gig on Fiverr or Upwork immediately. Your first client is the hardest to get, so just start. And my final most important tip, be consistent. You're not going to get rich overnight. But if you can dedicate just 2 to 3 hours every single day to your chosen method, I promise you, in a few months, your life will look completely different. The only thing separating you from the people making thousands online is that they started. Now it's your turn. If this video helped you, smash that subscribe button because I have so many more insane ideas to share with you. Thanks for watching, and go get that money.